Good afternoon students, how are you? I hope so you all are fine at home. And what we are doing in maths pattern chapter. So in that chapter so many topics already we have done, and I have given you one homework also that is given on page number 120. So the next is page number 121. Fast, all of you open your books, take out your books from your bag and open page number 121. This page number you have to open. Page number 121. Revision time. Revision time. Fast. And that revision time is homework for you. The whole revision time is homework for you because it is very simple chapter, and I hope all of you are able to do all the questions that is given on revision time exercise. So I am reading all the question and explaining you also. So all of you pay attention. I hope all of you have opened the book. Page number 121, revision time. See the first question. Trace and color the following pattern. Okay, dots are given. So first you have to join all the dots. So some shapes will be formed, and after joining all the dots, what you have to do, you have to color it. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 2. In question number 2, the question is color the following pattern to complete the sequence. Sequence already given. What you have to do? Only you have to color it according to the pattern. Okay. The same questions we have done in our previous lectures also. So I hope all of you able to do this, and it is very interesting for you. See the third question. Complete the following pattern in coloring. So in this question, first you have to complete the pattern. Complete the pattern means you have to first draw the pictures, that which picture will come next. Okay, first you have to observe the pattern very carefully, and after that you have to draw the picture, and after drawing what you have to do, you have to color it according to the pattern. Now the next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is a number pattern. This question also we have done in a previous lecture. So 10, 20, 30, then 4 circles are left. So what you have to do? You have to identify the pattern, and according to that what you have to fill next the circle. So I hope all of you understood very nicely that which number will come next. Now the last question is fill in the missing number, same number pattern. First you have to observe the pattern, and after that you have to fill in the blank. So but in this pattern, in last question 2 numbers are given. See the first circle, which number is written? 4, 5, 45, and the second last circle 70. That means 45 and 70. So maybe the difference of 5 or 10, that you observe, and accordingly you can complete the pattern. Okay. So I hope all of you able to do the revision time yourself. Okay. Now turn your page. Do this in your notebook. Okay. Do all the question in your notebook. Now turn the page. The last is the worksheet. The last is worksheet. So this worksheet is also homework for you. Is that clear? The last worksheet is also homework for you. Very simple. Only you have to complete the pattern. Either it is a number pattern or picture pattern. So only you have to color it. So last question, see the first question. Complete the following pattern by drawing the last 2 shapes. First you have to draw the shapes, and after that you have to color it. Now see the second question. Complete the following pattern. Now again it is a number pattern. Identify the number pattern and fill in the blank. Now in the next question, question number 3, pattern sequence picture pattern is already drawn. Only what you have to do, you have to color it with the different colors and follow the pattern. So use 2 colors, 2 shapes are there. One is a shape of heart and other is a shape of square or rectangle, whatever you can see it, rhombus or a kite. It is a shape of kite. So you can use two different colors for coloring the heart and a kite. Now the fourth question, draw your own pattern using a flower and a leaf. In this question you have to draw your own pattern. आपको अपने अकॉर्डिंग एक पैटर्न ड्रॉ करना है. किस चीज का यूज करके? फ्लावर्स और लीव्स का. एनी फ्लावर विच यू वांट टू ड्रॉ यू कैन ड्रॉ इट, and any leaves you can draw and create one pattern and color it also. Last question, no need to write. If you want to do, you can create any number pattern and do the last question. Otherwise you can skip that question, cross that question. Okay, so I hope very interestingly you can complete this worksheet also and revision time also. Okay, so today what I am going to do, today we are going to solve some pattern, number pattern or alphabet pattern that is not given in your book, but I am giving you some extra questions that is based on chapter pattern. Okay, so for that, fast all of you open your notebooks. Open your notebooks and take a new page and start writing the question. I hope how many questions we have done. Question number 5, till question number 5 we have written. So today we are going to write question number 6. Okay, so start writing question number 6. Start writing with me. Oh my god. Write question 6. Complete the pattern. Write the question. Complete the pattern. So first I am writing all the patterns. Complete the pattern. So this is the question. Complete the pattern. So first I am writing the pattern on the board, then we will complete it. So you also first write all the patterns in your notebook and then we will complete it. So write 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, you skip one box after writing one number. Suppose you have written 2, then skip one box and write, then write 4, then again skip one box, then write 6. Okay, so it will be neat and tidy for you. Now dash, dash and dash. Make 3 box empty. Now the second question. 5, 10, 15, dash, dash and dash. I will give you time to write 3, 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30, dash, dash and dash. Now 4th, 10, 9, 9, then 8, then dash, dash and dash. Then the next is A, B, C, dash, dash and dash. You also first write all the 5 patterns fast. Fast. Write the pattern. Write fast. I hope you have written now. First this pattern. So the first number is, now observe the pattern. The first number 2, then 4, then 6. 2, 4 and 6. Is this a table of 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Yes or no? Yes. So we will write rest of the numbers using table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10 and 2 sixes are 12. So if you observe very carefully the pattern, what we have observed that 2 is added to a number. If we add 2 to a given number, then we obtain the next number. अगर हम एक नंबर में 2 प्लस कर रहे हैं तो हमें उसके आगे वाला नंबर मिल रहा है. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, so we can obtain the same pattern by adding 2 also or table of 2. Both the methods are correct. So the answer is 8, 10 and 12. Now the next pattern, see carefully, 5, 10, 15. Again, either we are obtaining the next number by adding 5 or it is a table of 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25 and 5 sixes are 30. So 20, 25 and 30 is the answer. Now see the next pattern, 10, 20, 30. Is this a table of 10 or we are adding 10 to a given number to obtain the next number, to get a next number? So yes, both the methods are correct. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now see the next, fourth, 10, 9, 8. Is this a reverse counting or we are doing -1 to a number, then we are getting the next number? 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6 and 6 minus 1 is 5. Or we can do it simply by reverse counting, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. Now the last question, fifth, A, B, C. What is this? This is simple. Alphabets we are writing starting from letter A, B, C, then the next letter will be D, then E and then F. Very simple patterns, so write it fast. I hope all of you have understood it very nicely, that how we are completing the pattern by observing the pattern, given pattern first and completing it. Write it fast. Some more questions are there. Copy correct from the board and write fast, write neatly. Don't make mistakes, otherwise you will not understand the pattern. So copy correct from the board so that you can understand the pattern very nicely. So you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write it. Okay? आप इस 5 क्वेश्चंस का या तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए या आप वीडियो पॉज करके फिर भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है? नाउ आई एम राइटिंग द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस, सो आई एम रबिंग द बोर्ड. Now the next question is the same questions we are continuing. So we have written till 5. Now start writing from 6. A1 comma B2 comma, C3, comma, dash, dash and dash. Now the next question number 7. ABC, comma, DEF, comma, GHI, comma, dash, dash and dash. Once again I am writing it. Sorry. ABC, DEF, GHI, comma, now dash, dash and dash. 8, 100, comma, 99, comma, 98, comma, dash, dash and dash. 9, 11, 22, 33, dash, dash and dash. Now the last is 10, 010, comma, 020, comma, 030, comma, dash, dash. So first of all, you also write all the patterns, copy all the questions from the board. I hope all of you now able to solve, able to complete all the patterns yourself. So if you understood the pattern, you can write the answers also. If you understood the pattern and if you know what is the answer, so you can fill the blank also, you can complete the pattern also. Then when I will write the answer, you check in your notebooks. So if you know the answer, simply you write the answers also. Now because very simple pattern. Now check your answers. The first is A1, B2, C3. That alphabets are also written and numbers are also written. Okay? Alphabets and numbers both are written together in a same sequence, in a same order, one by one. So what will be the next? A1, B2, C3, D4, then E5, very good, and F6. That means one letter and one alphabet. Write fast, copy fast from the board. Then the next question is A, B, C, D, E, F. That means only alphabets are written in a order in a bunch of 3, 3. A, B, C, comma, D, E, F, comma, G, H, I. After I, which alphabet is there? I, J, K, L. After L, M, N, O. After O, P, Q, R. Very simple it is. Okay. Write fast. Now the next is 100, 99 and 98. Again, it is a reverse counting, backward counting, and I hope all of you have remembered the backward counting because backward counting already we have done in chapter number 2. Okay. So see 100, 99, 98, then 97, 96 and 95. Okay. Write it fast, note it down fast. Now the next question 11, 22, 33. आया पैटर्न समझ में? 1 1 11, 2 2 22, 3 3 33. Next will be 4 4 44, then 5 5 55, and then 6 6 66. Note it down fast. Now the last question, 0 1 0, 0 2 0, 0 3 0, then 0 4 0, 0 5 0, 0 6 0. Very simple pattern, and I hope all of you identify the pattern very nicely and able to complete the pattern also, because very simple patterns are there, and in this type of pattern I will ask in your final exams also. So I hope all of you understood how the pattern, picture pattern, number pattern, alphabet patterns can be asked. If the pattern is not given in your book, then you can do it very nicely. Okay, so do it fast. Complete your work fast. Copy correct from the board. Okay, I hope all of you have written. If not, you can take the screenshot of from question number 6 to 10 also, or you can pause the video and write it. Okay, now only one more chapter is left, that is shapes. So in our next lecture we will start a new chapter, shapes. Okay, so get ready for learning something new. Okay, and get ready with your scale, because we are going to draw the shapes. Okay, and your scale and pencil and your eraser in for next lecture, maths, that is what we are going to do, starting a new chapter, shapes. So here we have completed the chapter pattern, and 2 pages I have given you homework, that is revision time and worksheet. So you complete your homework also. Have a nice day, good day, take care of yourself.